In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine splash shield on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this shield. There's 4 fasteners holding it on, 2 up top, 2 down below. Use a 15mm socket, take them out. There's one missing here. And just slide it down. Take the shield, line it up, get all the bolts started. Tighten these down, just snug. That's good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.